Hi there. We're looking forward to seeing you soon. Before your appointment, we wanted to walk you through exactly what to expect so you can come in feeling relaxed and confident. A hearing test at Castle Rock Ear Associates is simple, comfortable, and nothing to stress about. When you arrive at our clinic, our receptionist will check you in and collect any information we need from you. We'll start with a quick conversation. We'll ask a few questions about your overall hearing and balance health and any challenges you've noticed, like difficulty hearing a noise or asking people to repeat themselves. There are no right or wrong answers. We just want to understand you. Next, we'll take a look inside your ears. This part is quick and painless, just making sure everything looks healthy and clear. Then comes an assessment of your hearing systems with a series of evaluations. Some things you will not need to do anything for, and others we will have you participate. These evaluations allow our providers to assess your hearing system in order to get a complete picture of what is happening. That's it. No surprises, no discomfort. Right after the test, we'll go over your results together. We'll explain everything in a way that makes sense. If there's a hearing loss, we'll walk you through what that means and what your options are, but there's never any pressure. It's a quick and easy and important step towards staying connected to the people and moments that you love. We're here to help every step of the way.